Okay, so I have a bunch of roses that I just got from David Austin yesterday, and I soaked them overnight, well, for about 24 hours. This one is Elizabeth. I bought that in honor of my mom. And then I got one for myself, which is Eustacia Vi, because I'm Stacy. So here's the Eustacia Vi, and then a bunch of other ones. It's a little upside down. And I'm going to be planting these right now. So forgive the deck, it's been winter time and it's under the trees, but I'm going to have boys come today and clean it up. Anyway, I started with topsoil that I got, and I'm just going to keep them in pots until my rose garden's finished, and then I'll transplant them. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of pattern I want to plant these in. I've got mostly pinks and not corals, like salmon and whites, very what do you call it, pastel colors, and this root does not want to stay in here. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cow manure in here, and then potting mix, and then I'll probably top it off with some more of this topsoil. Oh, forgot this, mycorrhizal fungi. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put it on the roots. Just sprinkle it liberally, but it has to touch the roots. So I'll put some of that on, and then cow manure is next. So a scoop of cow manure, and then Mally's over here by so I'll grab some of this and stick this in, and then I'll just pull it up so that it's a little bit higher and throw some more dirt in, and then water it down. Here's the one I just did. I'll water that down. I did this one a second before I did that one, which is the lark ascending. And then some of these other ones I did the other day. This is Sally Holmes. It looks weird, but this one looks huge. It's probably like a big climber rambler kind of thing. And this is Sensuous. I just have a whole bunch of these. Peach Swirl. And I made these cool little Coco Loco tags by hammering letters into the copper tags. And so here are a bunch of roses and then some other things as well. But this is my makeshift potting area. And you can see it gets good eastern sun. And they are doing really, really quite well. What's this one? These tags are quite handy. Princess Alexandria of Kent. Or Alexandra. Anyway, so this is my area here where I am potting up these guys before the sun comes up too high.